Guys, what's up? Jake here. This is my awesome life. Look, I got a fidget spinner today. Hi. Oh yeah, it is true. In the video, it doesn't even look like it's spinning that fast. But in real life, things spinning like super fast. It looks warped in videos too. This is what the warped fidget spinner looks like. I guess it's still spinning really fast, see? Guys, this is so cool. I gotta do a video on these things. See what it looked like it was. Like, I know somebody, and they do those like this, and like, do you even, no, your life is a lie. And like, do this. And then my other hand is not as strong. It's usually my main stabilizer. Holding it with your middle finger is okay. Oh no, how. So yeah. Today's video is on fidget spinners. Especially mine. The best. Like literally, guess how much this was? It was $5 something. Well, it was over $7 actually. But I got it because I did great in my academic success. My brother's got one. My friend Hunter has got like 5. Look at all the facial hairs. And the tree. Very annoying tree back there. I wonder, does that work? I'm gonna do the 1,000-mile fidget spinner video later. Like, I swear, no trickery is happening. It even looks bent. Guys, this is so cool. I was always thinking if people were spinning them really slowly. It always looks like they're just like, in videos, they're just going that fast. In real life, it's probably going like fast enough to warp it. Ugh. And so, y'all want to hear some things y'all probably don't know about me? Okay, cool, because y'all really don't. I really don't care. My name's, no, that's obvious. I started another YouTube channel in 2010. Sorry, I was a bit early to the game. Fidget spinners became really popular. Stuff always tended to become really popular after I watched videos of it. Like, I wish I was lying, but I'm not. I'm not self-conceived. I'm not just appreciate how long that was bouncing on that tip of my finger. So anyways, yeah. For real, guys, doesn't this not look really weird to y'all? It looks like it's going through like a fishbowl or something. That makes me wonder, what is 1,000 miles? Like, what does 100 RPM look like on this thing? It really says you're going to do 2 rotations per minute one. That's literally this. Guys, like, I'm not even kidding. This is literally how fast 2 rotations a minute would be. Like, would y'all watch this? It's a video of a fidget spinner going. Like a 15-minute video of a fidget spinner just going. Instead of one that's going like 100 RPM. Lexi, my sister, how you doing, girl?